Hello everyone. Today we know use of he and she. He is used for boy or male. She is used for girl or female. He is a boy. He is a student. He is my father. He is a doctor. He is my brother. He is a singer. He is my uncle. He is a lawyer. He is a chef. He cooks food. He is my grandfather. He is 70 years old. He is my friend. He plays with football. She is a girl. She is a dancer. She is my mother. She is a teacher. She is my sister. She reads in class 2. She is my aunt. She is a nurse. She is my grandmother. She knits sweater. She is a girl. She is a tailor. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.